Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity. Make sure airplane mode is off and either Wi-Fi or cellular is enabled. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi to pick a network, or tap Cellular to enable data. Enter the password and tap Join. Once done, glance at the status bar. You should see signal bars or 4G/5G icons and the carrier name. These steps get you online immediately, so you can load web pages, apps, and email without delay. Now configure how you use the internet. Choose your browser and tidy its settings, such as clearing cache and enabling cookies if needed. In Settings, allow background app refresh for apps you want live updates from, and disable it for battery savings on others. Set up autofill for addresses and passwords, enable content blockers or private browsing to reduce tracking, and make sure important apps have cellular permission. Doing this makes browsing faster, safer, and finish by testing. Open a few websites and a video stream to confirm speed and stability. If pages fail to load, first toggle Wi-Fi or cellular off and on, then restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. If problems persist, forget the network and reconnect, or as a last resort reset network settings. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPNs. This troubleshooting sequence fixes most issues and gets you back online quickly. Keep these steps in mind when connectivity acts up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.